Hi folks, we've been busy researching hardware samplers to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. And before I move on, we'd love to hear what hardware sampler you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best hardware samplers. The 5th product on our list is the Korg Volca Sample 2. The Korg Volca Sample 2 is a compact powerhouse that redefines what's possible in a hardware sampler. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Volca Sample 2 introduces several improvements and new features that elevate its performance capabilities. One of the standout features of the Volca Sample 2 is its expanded memory, allowing users to store up to 200 samples, double the capacity of the original Volca sample. This increase in storage space opens up a world of possibilities for creative sample manipulation and experimentation. The addition of USB connectivity is a welcome upgrade, simplifying the process of sample management and allowing for seamless integration with DAWs and other music production software. This enhances the Volca Sample 2's versatility and makes it even more suitable for both studio and live performance settings. The inclusion of new sample libraries curated by renowned artists further enhances the Volca Sample 2's appeal. These diverse and inspiring sample packs provide users with a wealth of sonic possibilities, ensuring that creativity never runs dry. The intuitive interface of the Volca Sample 2 remains largely unchanged, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate its various functions. The step sequencer and motion sequencing capabilities are as robust as ever, allowing for intricate and dynamic pattern creation on the fly. Here's something you should know before buying the Korg Volca Sample 2. This sampler works better with a Windows interface, which some current Mac users may need to think about. The Korg Volca Sample 2 is a worthy successor to the original, offering enhanced features and expanded capabilities in a compact and affordable package. Whether you're a seasoned producer or a newcomer to the world of sampling, the Volca Sample 2 is sure to ignite your creativity and take your music production to new heights. The 4th product on our list is the Polyend Tracker. The Polyend Tracker is a revolutionary hardware sampler that combines vintage charm with its modern functionality, offering a unique approach to music production and performance. With its retro-inspired design and intuitive workflow, the tracker reimagines the classic tracker-style interface for the contemporary musician. The first thing to notice about the Polyend Tracker is its sampling engine, which allows users to capture and manipulate audio with unprecedented precision. Whether you're slicing, time stretching or sequencing samples, the tracker's intuitive interface makes it easy to transfer raw audio into polished tracks. A fantastic feature of the Polyend Tracker is its grid-based sequencer, which offers a tactile and hands-on approach to music composition. With the ability to trigger samples, control parameters and create intricate patterns all from the grid, the tracker encourages experimentation and creativity like no other hardware sampler on the market. Of course, the tracker boasts a wide range of onboard effects and processing tools, including filters, delays and reverbs, allowing users to sculpt their sound with ease. Combined with the built-in mixer and master effects, the tracker offers a comprehensive suite of tools for crafting professional quality tracks. The inclusion of MIDI and CV connectivity further expands the tracker's versatility, allowing it to seamlessly integrate with both hardware and software instruments. Whether you're syncing up with your modular synth rig or controlling virtual instruments in your DAW, the tracker offers unparalleled flexibility in a compact and portable package. Here's something you should know before buying the Polyend Tracker. Some users note that better support is needed to improve this product's user experience. The Polyend Tracker is a game changer in the world of hardware samplers, offering a seamless blend of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality. With its intuitive interface, powerful sampling engine and comprehensive feature set, the tracker is sure to inspire musicians of all skill levels to push the boundaries of their creativity. The 3rd product on our list is the Electron Digitact. The Electron Digitact stands as a formidable force in the realm of hardware samplers, offering a compact yet powerful solution for producers and performers alike. With its sleek design and intuitive interface, the Digitact is a versatile tool that excels in both studio and live settings. At the core of the Digitact is its sampling engine, which allows users to capture, manipulate and sequence audio with ease. Whether you're slicing up drum breaks or layering melodic samples, the Digitact's flexible workflow makes it a joy to work with. Its 8 dedicated audio tracks, combined with the ability to assign multiple samples to each track, provide ample opportunities for sonic exploration and experimentation. One of the standout features of the Digitact is its powerful sequencer, which offers unparalleled control over every aspect of your composition. With parameter locks, trig conditions and per-step micro-timing, the Digitact allows for intricate and dynamic pattern creation, ensuring that your music always stays fresh and exciting. The inclusion of Elektron's renowned performance features such as parameter locking and conditional triggers further enhances the Digitact's live performance capabilities. Whether you're improvising on the fly or meticulously crafting your set in advance, the Digitact offers a level of control and flexibility that is unmatched by other hardware samplers in its class. One more thing you have to note is that the Digitact boasts a wide range of onboard effects, including filters, reverbs, delays and more. These allow users to sculpt their sounds to perfection without the need for external processing. Combined with Digitact's robust MIDI and CV connectivity, this makes it a powerful centrepiece for any electronic music setup. Here's something you should know before buying the Elektron Digitact. Users note that this device still has a steep learning curve. The Elektron Digitact is a versatile and powerful hardware sampler that excels in both studio and live settings. With its intuitive interface, flexible workflow and unparalleled performance capabilities, the Digitact is sure to inspire musicians of all skill levels to push the boundaries of their creativity. The second product on our list is the Roland SP404 Mark II. The Roland SP404 Mark II is a modern iteration of the legendary SP404, retaining the essence of its predecessor while introducing several upgrades and enhancements. With its compact form factor and intuitive workflow, the SP404 Mark II is a versatile tool for producers, beatmakers and performers alike. The sampling engine of course allows users to capture, manipulate and sequence audio with ease. Whether you're chopping up drum breaks, layering melodic samples or adding vocal snippets, the SP404 Mark II offers a seamless and intuitive experience. Its 16 velocity-sensitive pads provide responsive tactile control, while the built-in microphone and line inputs offer flexibility in capturing audio on the fly. One of the standout features of the SP404 Mark II is its updated effects section, which includes a wide range of onboard effects, such as filters, reverbs, delays and more. These effects can be applied to individual samples or entire tracks, allowing for endless sonic experimentation and creative exploration. The SP404 Mark II also introduces several workflow improvements, including a redesigned user interface with improved navigation and a larger LCD screen for easier viewing. Additionally, the inclusion of USB connectivity simplifies the process of sample management and allows for seamless integration with DAWs and other music production software. Here's something you should know before buying the Roland SP404 Mark II. It takes a bit of effort to gain proficiency with this device. With its combination of vintage charm and modern functionality, the Roland SP404 Mark II is a worthy successor to the SP404 legacy. Whether you're crafting beats in the studio or performing live on stage, the SP404 Mark II offers a powerful and inspiring creative toolset that is sure to elevate your music production to new heights. The first product on our list is the Akai Professional Force. The Akai Professional Force is a groundbreaking standalone music production workstation that blurs the lines between traditional hardware and software, offering a comprehensive solution for producers, DJs and performers. It's an excellent hardware sampler with its sleek design and powerful feature set. The Force represents a new era in music production technology. It's a versatile sampler, sequencer and performance tool, capable of capturing, manipulating and arranging audio with unprecedented flexibility. With its 64 velocity-sensitive pads, intuitive touchscreen interface and extensive onboard controls, the Force offers a tactile and immersive music-making experience that's second to none. One of the standout features of the Force is its deep integration with Ableton Live, allowing users to seamlessly transfer projects between the two platforms and leverage the full power of Live's renowned production tools and instruments. This integration opens up a world of possibilities for collaboration, allowing users to seamlessly transition between studio and stage without missing a beat. The Force also boasts a wide range of onboard effects and processing tools, including filters, reverbs, delays and more, allowing users to sculpt their sounds to perfection without the need for external gear. Combined with its robust MIDI and CV connectivity, this makes the Force a powerful centerpiece for any electronic music setup. Here's something you should know before buying the Akai Professional Force. It comes with a hefty price tag. The Akai Professional Force is a game changer in the world of music production, offering a seamless blend of hardware and software functionality in a sleek and powerful package. Whether you're composing in the studio, performing live on stage, or collaborating with other artists, the Force provides the tools you need to bring your musical ideas to life with unparalleled creativity and expression. And there you have it, folks, the 5 hardware samplers that got us excited this year. If this video helps you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on Stream Decks on the left, or this one on Arrange Your Keyboards on the right. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.